Hey everybody, it's John with Sufront Construction and Engineering, and today we are on a job site here in Miami, and we are doing concrete restoration. We're also doing some waterproofing, so come and check out some of the work that we've been doing. Inspection process, we identified that the expansion joints of this parking garage were damaged. So before we started to fix any of the concrete related issue, we wanted to fix the source of the problem, and most of the water intrusion was happening through the expansion joints. We removed the old caulking, we put new backer rod, and then we added the new material so they can be watertight. We have some of the guys here doing the exact same work. We're using this product right here, Sika Seal 728 MC. You can see some of the backer rod prior to the application right here. And then here, obviously, this is the finished product. Once the backer rod is placed in, the guys caulk it, they seal it, they give it their nice touch. If you notice, look at the way Jose molds that. We have Diego here spreading it out. Got another team over there. So this entire building, we're doing all the waterproofing, concrete restoration. Follow along for more content like this. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.